How to add a driver on web. Want to keep a digital record of your fleet drivers? You can do that by adding driver inside the LocoNav platform on mobile or web. To set up an overspeeding alert, you must first have a wired GPS tracker or OBD device installed in your vehicle, along with an active subscription to the LocoNav fleet and asset management system. Let's log into LocoNav fleet and asset management system and get started. Select Drivers module from the side navigation menu and click on My Drivers. A dashboard will appear with a list of all drivers in your fleet. Click on the Add Driver button. You can find it on the top right of your screen. Now enter the driver details, starting with the driver's name and mobile number. Then enter the driver's personal identification number. Next, enter the driver's driving license details. Add the driver's tracking ID, followed by the guarantor's name and mobile number. You can also add driver's documents, such as the profile picture, personal identification number, driving license and more, in the form of attachments. This will help you maintain a digital record of your driver's document in one place. Click Add Driver to save driver details and you're all done. You can add as many drivers as you like for each of your vehicles. To learn more about LocoNav's fleet and asset management system, book a demo now.